add the currency symbols to these things. Suppose this is a salary. I want it in a dollar. If you want these things in a dollar, then simply click which things you want in a dollar, and here you can check the sign is here. So click on this sign, automatically dollar sign would be here. Now, if you don't want these things in a dollar, you want in your own country's currency. Suppose now I want this thing in a rupees. So what I'll do, I'll click on the file. I'll click on this spreadsheet settings. In this setting, click the local area that you want. Suppose here I'll select the India and save the settings. After saving, it will change this particular pane. So wait for a while. So here you can see the dollar things were coming previously. Now the Indian currency rupees is come up here. So now to change that particular currency, simply click on here and click on this rupee symbol. So as you can see, it changed to the rupees. Now suppose you want to write particular things in Indian language like in Hindi or Marathi. So how to do that? As you change the spreadsheet settings from these things and selected the country India, and you can check here automatically this input tools is come up. So now what I'll do, I'll add one column here. So click on the right, click the insert column, and suppose here for an example again I'll put the city name Hindi. So click on this particular thing and you start the typing. As you start the typing, you can check this things come up. You start the typing here, automatically it will suggest you the thing that you want. So this is the feature which I really very like in the spreadsheet, that automatically the language in an easy way you can type. No need to change your keypad setting. See, I'm typing in English only and it is automatically converting the text in a particular language, Chennai suppose. So I'm typing in English only because I don't know in Marathi or Hindi typing. I know only English typing. That's why I love the feature. In other things, you have to be fluency in a Hindi typing or Marathi typing, but in spreadsheet this thing is not required. It will auto translate your text in particular language that you want. Suppose if things is not coming up, it means you have not selected this pane. Suppose see here, even though I'm typing, it is not coming up. If this error is coming to your spreadsheet, then go again, select this again and type. So you can see this, it came up. So in this way you can add in your language settings here. Now after the language, another point I'll cover here is to change the decimals of this thing. From here, this bar, you can decrease the decimal. Here you can increase the decimal. I'll show you how. So as you can see, it is increasing the decimals from right side. To decrease them, you can simply decrease them from here. If you want to convert it into the percentage, then simply click on the percent. You can check the percent symbol is came here. Like this, you can change the basic settings of this. Now, many of you can suffer the problem if you hate the spreadsheet and if you hate the Excel sheets works because of this particular things have been not zoomed out. So to do the thing, simply click here and zoom particular sheet. So you can find the zoomed records here and easily you can work. If you want this much font size, you can increase the font size and working here. This feature is very important if you want the increased size. So this FX is a formula bar. If this formula bar is not, you cannot see in your spreadsheet, then simply click on the view and check the formula bar is tick marked or not. If it is not tick marked, then that formula bar will not be seen here. So just make sure the formula bar tab have been tick marked. If you want to see this sheet in a full screen mode, then click on the view, click on the full screen tab. As you can see, the sheet in a full screen mode. Even though in this particular field, only the thing you cannot see the formula bar and file edit and all that options. To see that options again, click the escape key from your keyboard. After clicking, you can see this thing. So I hope it's very easy to work the spreadsheet in the full screen mode. As you can see, if you don't want to do any formatting and any updations, only you want to do the data entry here, then this is very beautiful function that I found.